I advise you, trainers, pick this up, yeah, because your boxers could actually, you can put it on your chest and give them, tell them to give you a big full shot. So you can work on a, hold on, so you can work on the single shots as well as multiple shots, yeah. If you're doing single, easy to maneuver, yeah. Straights, hooks, uppercut, overhead, leg kicks, yeah. And if you're training single hook, punches, shots, you can get your whole body on it and get them to hit it. So it works on the power. Work on the power or the cardio level shots, whichever you doing on the day, you can do with this one. I'll say this one is a, what's it called? All-rounder pad. Yeah. One more thing, using the hand pads, even with the double thicker layer of padding on, eventually you start getting wrist pains, yeah, which I experienced with the hand pads. These ones, yeah, you don't have to hold it with your wrist. You can put your arms like this or your body like that, or hold it like this, whichever you feel comfortable with. But yeah, single shots, power shots, multiple shots, yeah, kicks, all-rounder pad. So check this out. This one in particular, Farabi. You can go for other round pads, but I wouldn't know how they feel. But Farabi got a good handle, lovely grip, yeah. I smashed this quite a lot. Even my fighters, few of the trainers, fighters I train, give it a good shots, yeah. Power shots, multiple shots, everything. Please check it out, because you ain't gonna regret it, because it's an all-rounder bag. What can I say?